Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed the lesson Telangana, the pride of the people. So, I hope you all have understood the lesson. So, today we'll be moving to the grammar and vocabulary part of this lesson. So, if you see in your textbook, glossary. Emotion means excitement. Red letter day means a very important day. Dialect means a form of language. Fervor means a strong feeling of enthusiasm. Fiat, public celebration. Culminate, reach the end of something. Significance, importance. Religious tolerance, accepting the feelings of all religions. Immerse, to put into water. Weaver, one who makes cloth. Antiques means things that are old and valuable. Revive means to make active again. Preserve means to keep in good condition. Dedicate means to devote. Pattern means an arrangement of a design. Portrait means a painting. Innovation, invocation means prayer. Prominence means importance. So these are the glossary and I want you to write it neatly in your notes. Now see here, Roman number 2. Say whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements. So here they have given some statements for us and they are asking us to write whether these statements are true or false. So this one I have already done it for you. Write neatly in your textbook with the help of a pencil. So see here, first one, Bonalu is celebrated as part of Dasra. Is it true? No, it is false because as part of Dasra we will be celebrating Batukama but not Bonalu. So Bonalu is celebrated as part of Dasara. First one is false. Second, the Gattams are immersed in the local tanks and ponds. So the second one is false because the Gattams are offered to God but they are not immersed in the local tanks and ponds. So the second one is false. Third, Siricilla weavers produce excellent saris with attractive patterns. So Siricilla weavers produce excellent saris with attractive patterns is also false. So third one is also false. Fourth, Pirla Panduga is the symbol of religious tolerance. Yes, it is the symbol of religious tolerance. So fourth one is true. Fifth, we can see a large number of antiques in the Salarjung Museum. We can see different types of old and preserved items in Salarjung Museum, isn't it? So the fifth one is true. Vocabulary. Read the following sentences focusing on the underlined words. So here they have given some sentences and they are asking us to focus on the underlined words in these sentences. So the first one, we saw the jubilant procession. First one, we saw the jubilant procession. In this, the underlined word is jubilant. 2. Oggu Katha is a very popular folklore. Oggu Katha is a very popular folklore. So in this sentence, the underlined part is popular. Third, the saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. So the third, the saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. So in third sentence, the underlined word is attractive. So the underlined words help us to express our opinion. They are opinion adjectives. So complete the following passage using the adjectives given in the box. So here they have given some adjectives, and they are asking us to complete this passage using these adjectives. So this one also I have done it for you. So I want you to write them neatly in your textbook with the help of a pencil. So what are the adjectives they have given? We will see first. Small, attractive, flightless, different. Small, attractive, flightless, different. Squirrels are dash animals, and so everyone likes them. In that dash, what you have to write is attractive animals. Squirrels are attractive animals, and so everyone likes them. They are found in dash colors, different colors. They are found in different colors. They are dash but can move very fast. They are small but can move very fast. They eat nuts, fruits, and sometimes insects. They are dash because they can only jump short distances. They are flightless because they can only jump short distances. Most of the squirrels live in tree holes. They even store their food there. So I am reading this paragraph again for you. Listen carefully and write without any spelling mistakes. Squirrels are attractive animals, and so everyone likes them. They are found in different colors. They are small but can move very fast. They eat nuts, fruits, and sometimes insects. They are flightless because they can only jump short distances. Most of the squirrels live in tree holes. They even store their food there. So, now moving to grammar. Read the following from the narrative. First one. Now there is more scope for development. Moreover, we can revive our culture. Second, we celebrate the main festivals as well as the regional festivals. Third, besides we have Jataras. Fourth, and the Salarjung Museum is one of the 3 national museums. Fifth, not only that, our great poets contribute to our rich culture. The highlighted expressions help us in linking our ideas. So what are the highlighted words here? Moreover, as well as, besides, and not only that. So these highlighted words are used to means they help us in linking our ideas. So here rewrite the following using the linkers given in the bracket. So here they have given a paragraph and they are asking us to write this paragraph using the linkers which they have given in the bracket. So this one also I have done it for you, and I want you to write them neatly in your notes with the help of a pen. So see here, Swati is a well-known singer. She sings Telugu songs. She sings Hindi songs. And moreover, she is a student of computer science. She works on computer. She designs programs. Not only but also, she likes music very much. She likes books besides. So this is what they have given. So see the answer. Swati is a well-known singer. She sings Telugu songs and Hindi songs. Moreover, she is a student of computer science. She works not only on computer but also design programs. Besides books, she likes music very much. So using these linker words in the brackets, I have changed this paragraph and I have again written it neatly. So see here, Swati is a well-known singer. She sings Telugu songs and Hindi songs. Moreover, she is a student of computer science. She works not only on computer but also design programs. Besides, Books she likes, music very much. Editing. Read the following passage. There is an error in each sentence. Identify and edit it. So here they have given a paragraph, and in this paragraph there are some errors. So they are asking us to identify those errors and to write it, means they are asking us to edit those errors and rewrite the paragraph. So this one also I have done it for you. Before seeing the actual answer, first see the question what they have given. Lakshmi was reading a story book sitting off a train. It were very interesting. The story was about an wise man. Just then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggages. He asking Lakshmi's father, "Can you help me?" He helped the old man. So what you have to write the answer is, Lakshmi was reading a story book sitting in a train. In place of a train, you have to write in a train. And it was very interesting. In place of where, you have to write was. It was very interesting. The story was about a wise man, not an wise man. You have to write a wise man. Then an old, not just, you have to write then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggage. We shouldn't say luggages. Luggage itself a plural word, so you have to write luggage. He asked, instead of writing asking, you have to write asked Lakshmi's father, "Can you help me?" Instead of he helped, you have to write Lakshmi's father helped the old man. So once again I'll read it. Lakshmi was reading a story book sitting in a train. It was very interesting. The story was about a wise man. Then an old man came there. He was not able to carry his luggage. He asked Lakshmi's father, "Can you help me?" Lakshmi's father helped the old man. So I hope you all have understood till here. We'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.